Hi students, now we are going to see about the microorganisms. From this lesson, we will be able to understand the different types of microorganisms and the differentiate the various microorganisms based on their shape and occurrence. Introduction. Microorganisms are too small in size that they cannot be seen through naked eye. These organisms can be seen only with the help of microscope. The science that deals with the study of microorganisms is known as microbiology. Microorganisms occur everywhere. They are found in air, water, soil, and even inside our bodies. Microorganisms can be studied under 5 categories. They are virus, bacteria, fungi, algae, and protozoa. About virus, a virus is a tiny particle made up of genetic material and protein. They are intermediate between living and non-living things. Virus means poison in Latin. Viruses are intracellular obligatory parasites. The study of virus is called virology. Next, virus structure. A virus contains a core DNA or RNA. Surrounding that core is a protein coat. In some viruses, the protein coat is covered by an envelope made of proteins, lipids, and carbohydrates. The envelope has spikes that help the virus particles attach to the host cells. Virus shows both living and non-living characters. Living characters. They respond to heat, chemicals, and radiations. They reproduce inside the host cells and produce copies of themselves. Meaning of host. An animal or plant on or in which a parasite lives. Non-living characters. They are inactive when present freely in the environment. They can be crystallized and stored for a very long time like other non-living things. Viruses cause many diseases to plants, animals, and human beings. Cytoplasm is absent. Bacteria. Bacteria are single-celled prokaryotes. Prokaryotes means cells without nuclei. Bacteria are grouped under the kingdom Monera. They are considered to be the first living organisms on earth. The study of bacteria is called bacteriology. Bacteria are of two types based on respiration: aerobic bacteria, anaerobic bacteria. Cell structure. A bacterium has an outer covering known as cell wall. Nuclear material is represented by a nucleoid without nuclear membrane. Other cell organelles, mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. are absent. Flagella aids in locomotion. Bacteria are described according to the shape of their cells. They are bacilli, spirilla, cocci, and vibrio. Bacilli, rod-shaped bacteria. Spirilla, spiral-shaped bacteria. Cocci, spherical or ball-shaped bacteria. Vibrio, comma-shaped bacteria. Bacteria are also classified according to the number and arrangement of flagella, which are as follows. Monotrichous, Lopotrichous, Amphitrichous, Peritrichous and Atrichous. Monotrichous, single flagella at one end. Lopotrichous, tuft of flagella at one end. Amphitrichous, tuft of flagella at both ends. Peritrichous, flagella all around. Atrichous, without any flagella. Fungi. Fungi are group of eukaryotic organisms. Lack chlorophyll. The study of fungi is called mycology. Unicellular fungi. Example, yeast. The cell structure of yeast. Yeasts are found freely in the atmosphere. Yeast grows in all kinds of media containing sugar. The cell is ovoid in shape, containing cell wall and a nucleus. Yeast aids in fermentation. Yeast respires anaerobically. Yeast reproduces by budding. Multicellular fungi. Example, mushroom. Mushrooms are found growing on wet soil in shaded places during the rainy season. The umbrella-shaped structure that grows above the soil is known as the fruiting body. The mycelium is located underneath the fruiting body. Mycelium in turn is made up of thread-like structures called hyphae. Hyphae helps in transport of nutrients for the growth of mushroom. Reproduction is by the method of fragmentation and spore formation. Algae. Algae are found in moist habitats. Algae are rich in chlorophyll and can be seen as thin film on the surface of lakes and ponds. Therefore, they are known as grass of water. They are autotrophic and manufacture their own food with the help of chloroplast. The study of algae is called algology. Cell structure of Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas is a simple unicellular motile freshwater algae. The cell contains large dark nucleus lying inside the cavity of the cup-shaped chloroplast. The anterior part of the cell bears two flagella which helps in locomotion. Two contractile vacuoles are seen at the base of each flagellum. The anterior side of the chloroplast contains a tiny red-colored eye spot. Chlamydomonas exhibits sexual and asexual modes of transpiration.